Had a feeling lying there that night. Something just didn't feel quite right. In the morning you'd already gone on to the glory land we call home. Well, life flashes before your eyes. On the gravel road you turn too tight. You're scared but you always know he's there. You went through the rail and hit the pond, but before you crashed you'd already gone home. And he took your pain away in that cold October rain. Your smile will forever be in my heart. You even have your own star. Through my window on a clear October night, I can see your face in the starlight. Well, you've gone to be there with the Lord, to live with Him forevermore. We're sad, but it's only for a while. Well, you're living well, living free, with the King of Galilee. And while we mourn and feel the pain, standing in October rain. Well, this time is tough, we know it's true. We'll always remember you and the smile you had there on your face. Well, life goes on and time goes by. Your star's still in the sky, and it reminds me of the day that you went to be there with the Lord, to live with Him forevermore. We're sad, but it's only for a while. You're living well, living free, with the King of Galilee. While we mourn and feel the pain, standing in October